American Cooling and Heating System has been providing homes and businesses with 5-star, top-notch services for their heating and cooling system needs. In the cool months of winter, our technicians proudly service homes with their central heating units, as well as other key heating features like furnaces. They offer furnace repair and replacement, as well as other replacement and maintenance needs. During the hot summer months, our technicians provide AC replacement, repair, and maintenance, as well as HVAC or central cooling systems. Even in emergencies, we would never leave our clients sweating and suffering through the hot dog days of summer. Please call us for fast and reliable service. If you're looking to upgrade or repair your HVAC or central cooling system, don't hesitate to call us. We can dispatch an AC or heating professional to give you straightforward diagnosis and all proper quotes.